Okay, just posting a update on the PAK9 $15 rail add-on. It is installed, works good. The brace is on here now as well. You can see that does function fine. The one issue with it, as I put it in my instruction, is this the FS1913 does come back a little bit too far for comfort here. When you're holding the brace, the pistol, it will move your hand forward. If you don't have any type of compensator on there, you are probably in a bit of danger of losing a thumb or a finger. I couldn't even fit my hand underneath here with my Mako grip. I had to go back to the stock one, which I really didn't like. So what I'm going to do is add a 1-inch extension to this. This one is by Monstrum, which is probably one of the better cheap Amazon products you can get. I've gotten a lot of crap on Amazon. Everything I've gotten from these guys has been pretty decent. So this will hopefully move the end of the brace this way about 1 inch, and also extend my my shoulder, or put it on my shoulder, give me an extra inch of actual stock there, or brace to be legal. I'm not going to bother videotaping me putting this thing on there, honestly, because my camera skills suck. But I will come back once it's done and we'll see what the difference is. And there she is, and you can see not ergonomic at all, rather uncomfortable, and like I said, borderline unsafe. That barrel is normally ending about there, and thumb can easily come up and disappear on you. I'll be back in a second. Alrighty, that took maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Took me a lot longer to actually get the camera set back up than it did to do this. Installed very easily. We now have a good space in here. You can fit your full hand in there again. I'm sure I can put my my Mako back on there. Adds, let me flip it this way here. Adds about 1 inch of bulk on there. Another bonus is if I want to go back to just having my sling on here, instead of having to take off this little Allen head wrench, which could probably get lost pretty easily in the field, get a quarter or whatever I have handy, unscrew that bolt, take the whole thing off, and then I'm back to not having to mess with the stock at all. So pretty nice there. Does add about 1 inch of stock length. Operation is still easy, if not easier, having that little extra bit on there. So the shoulder's nice. Get my shoulder down there. And pops back into place without banging your hand, and barely covers your magazine well. Actually, chill for 1 second. Sorry about that. Just put it in there with the 30-round magazine. See, no interference. I can actually get to the mag release now, which I couldn't before, which is good. Then when you're doing that $15 add a rail build, budget yourself another $8 and get yourself a 1-inch extension for the back. And that'll make your life better and keep you from blowing off your fingers. Hope this helps somebody. Y'all have a great day.